Hey everyone, Chelsea here with Simple Jane, and I am coming at you with part 2 of our Thriving Under Pressure series. And today I'm going to be talking a little bit about our CBD balms, so all of our topical CBD balms that you apply to your skin and the role that it plays with your skin barrier. So there's a couple of different things. If you have been following along with us, you've probably seen the rollout of our updated On The Mend Balm. This is our full-size package here, but we also have a travel size balm. So 2 different options for those of you that are interested in digging in deep with one of the larger sizes or just looking to try things out with a smaller size. We have these available. So when we're talking about thriving under pressure, dealing with stress, one of the things that is stressing everyone out right now is a lot of the hand washing, right? So a lot of those cleaning protocols. How many of you are obsessively washing your hands all day long? Me. And I'm sure a lot of you are as well. So one of the things that you can do to not only make sure that your skin is hydrated, but also creating a protective barrier on your skin after you've stripped off all the oils, cleaned off all the germs. You're doing this really repetitive washing, so it can really take a toll on your hands, but your body also has a chance to create the skin barrier as well. I'm going to tell you guys something. I actually will take this. I'll take a Q-tip if I'm going out, especially if those of us that are going out in public, if you are or need to, taking a Q-tip. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and kind of like dig it around the balm here, put the Q-tip up in my nose, creating that barrier, and put it in my ears as well. So really making sure that I'm kind of like closing off any opportunity for germs to enter. This is not a scientific statement by any means, but something that I am personally doing to create a barrier around myself using the CBD and products with the balms. So the importance of why this actually works topically is CBD, one of the largest receptors within your body are your CB2 receptors. So part of your endocannabinoid systems, we have our most CB2 receptors, and those are the ones that play the best with CBD in our skin. So this is one of the best opportunities using a topical product like a balm for you to be able to really get the full benefits of the CBD in there. So whether you're using the full-size balm or using the travel balm, so I will tell you this, if you do get the travel balm, it's $25. It's available on our website. It's also what comes in our recovery kit. If you get it, guys, promise me that this is, I understand it looks like a lip balm. It is not a lip balm. So people have a tendency to like put their, do a little bit like this and then put it on this. It's not enough. You definitely need to dig into the tin if you are using the tin, and really get a good amount in there and be able to put it all over your hands. Also really great on joints. So this is something that if you are thinking about giving somebody that is elderly, that is in self-quarantine, for example, giving a gift, one of these balms is a great way to help them show a little bit of self-love, especially if they have arthritis in their hands. They're probably not moving around a lot. So giving them one of the balms as a gift, if you're gifting an elderly person, to show themselves a little bit of self-care. I do always really recommend one of the Himalayan salt stones. So if you do choose the recovery kit online, it comes with a Himalayan salt stone, a balm, and then a travel size roller of our oil. But really using the salt stone with either of the balms is awesome on your joints. So making sure that if you do use the balm, this is a push-up stick. So you'll see here, you just go ahead and push up from the bottom. It is a paper tube, so eco-friendly, and really making sure that the products aren't plastic with CBD. CBD can actually leach into the plastic, which is why you see a lot of our products in, whether they're in tins, in paper, or in glass. But the great part here about this balm, so you just push up from the bottom and then apply it to any areas that could be knees, joints, wherever it is. So you're just doing a little bit of this like here. I know a lot of people who have shoulder pain, joint pain, even if you're just gripping your phone, like I know a lot of us are right now, kind of creating that tension in your wrists here. So you just put a little bit of the balm on, and even just spending a little bit of that time here doing some self-massage is a great way to really invest in your self-care and relaxation that we all need to be doing right now, especially if you are working from home. So Using the Himalayan salt stone, use the balm after you're done washing your hands. Apply it to your hands to keep them nice and hydrated, but also keep maintaining that nice skin barrier to stay healthy and well. I'm hugging you all in my heart right now, and keep everyone safe, healthy, and we will see you on the next episode tomorrow of Thriving Under Pressure. If you do have any questions about the product, about the balm, please leave me a note in the comments or send me a DM. We are here to answer all of your questions, and as always, you can find the products online at simplejane.co. Remember, we are offering free shipping through April 1st, so there's no reason why you shouldn't go ahead and make sure that you have these products available.